right, so we are staying at the DoubleTree Hilton over at Disney Springs, and this is the suite room. So I'm going to show you around that right now to give you an idea what it looks like. So I'm kind of standing right in the middle of the room here, so and don't mind some of our stuff. But this is the door where you walk in. This is our stuff. Don't worry about that. But so when you walk in, you have a counter space area with coffee, fridge, microwave, sink, and then you have a table with some chairs, which is a nice thing there. You do have some space. That's where wehere we're putting the stroller. Then you've got a seating area. It looks a little outdated in here, I'd say. You've got the TV here, and then you have your view out here. We're on the 7th floor, so we got a view of, it's hard to see the reflection, but up top here. But yeah, some of the furniture, it looks, kind of 80s, 90s maybe. And again, TV, it's kind of pulled out. I got to fix that. But you go in here to the sliding door, and this is the suite, which is a king-size bed, which is nice. So got a lot of space in here. Here is the thermostat, TV in here. You got your nightstands. I don't see a lot of outlets. I see a couple here. I don't see USB ports, so I think that's definitely missing in these. And you go down here to the hallway area. You got a mirror. You have a closet, pretty basic closet, and then you have a kind of just a very basic small bathroom with a curtain shower. Looks like this has been redone a little bit in here, but you do have some soap. You got some verbena and lavender soap, and you do have some lotions here you can use, things like that. So, but that's basically the room. There's not a whole lot to it. It's, it is a suite, so we have 2 rooms. So the kids will sleep in the living room area here, and then we have our room there. So.